Kevin Costner appeals sexual harassment ruling, vows to fight for the truth. Kevin Costner has formally appealed a Los Angeles judge's decision to allow 8 of 10 claims in a sexual harassment lawsuit against him to move forward. The Yellowstone star, 70, faces accusations from stuntwoman Devyn LaBella, who alleges misconduct and a toxic work environment during the filming of Horizon, an American Saga part. Costner's legal team insists the claims are baseless and vows to contest them in a higher court as Hollywood watches the unfolding case closely. He filed an appeal on October 30th, challenging the court's decision in a case that centers on allegations tied to the production of his Western epic, which Costner wrote, directed, and financed. Allegations linked to unscripted scene. LaBella alleges that Costner pressured her to perform an unscripted and unapproved rape scene during filming, without prior consent or safety protocols. She claims the request was made in a way that violated industry standards and created a hostile work environment. The lawsuit also accuses Costner's production of fostering a toxic atmosphere, rife with discrimination and intimidation. In a ruling dated October 16th, Judge John R. Takasiji dismissed 2 of LaBella's 10 claims but allowed the remaining 8, including sexual harassment, workplace toxicity, and gender discrimination, to proceed. The judge stated that the claims were sufficiently supported to merit further examination in court. Costner's response: "I won't be silenced." Costner has denied all allegations and insists the lawsuit is baseless. In a statement released through his legal team, he said, "I won't be silenced by false claims. I will fight for the truth and defend my name and my work." His attorney, Marty Singer, confirmed that the appeal was filed to challenge the judge's refusal to dismiss the remaining claims. Mr. Costner maintains his innocence and will continue to pursue all legal avenues to clear his name, Singer added. The legal team argues that the claims are factually unsupported and legally deficient, and that the lawsuit is an attempt to damage Costner's reputation. Industry reaction and fallout. The lawsuit has sent shockwaves through Hollywood, particularly given Costner's long-standing reputation as a respected actor, director, and producer. While some industry insiders have expressed support for LaBella's right to speak out, others have urged caution, noting that the legal process must be allowed to unfold before conclusions are drawn. Costner's film Horizon, which he has described as a passion project, has faced delays and reputational damage as a result of the lawsuit. The second installment of the saga was due for release in early 2026, but sources say the production team is now reassessing its timeline and promotional strategy. The film's distributor has yet to comment on whether the legal proceedings will affect its release schedule. What happens next? Legal experts say the appeal could take several months to resolve. If the judge's decision stands, Costner may be required to testify under oath and provide documentation related to the production of Horizon. LaBella's legal team has indicated they are prepared to proceed to trial if necessary and are seeking damages for emotional distress, lost wages, and reputational harm. The case is being closely watched by entertainment unions and advocacy groups, who say it could set a precedent for how misconduct allegations are handled on independent film sets. SAG-AFTRA has not commented publicly, but is reportedly monitoring the situation. Costner's legacy under scrutiny. Despite mounting legal pressures, Costner remains defiant. "This is not just about me," he said. "It's about protecting the integrity of the creative process and standing up against false narratives." The actor, known for iconic roles in Dances with Wolves, The Bodyguard, and Field of Dreams, now faces a pivotal moment in a career spanning over 4 decades. The final ruling could determine whether he emerges with his legacy intact or tarnished by one of Hollywood's most closely watched legal battles.